Hello again, everybody. Welcome back. Today we are taking a look at an almost unknown console in the United States. It was a direct competitor with Nintendo's Game Boy Advance in the late 90s and early 2000s, but it was only released in Japan. That system is the Wonderswan. In particular, the one that I have here is a Wonderswan Color, and it was on heavy discount because it has a problem with the buttons being read properly. In other words, when you turn it on, really the only way to turn it off is to actually remove the battery compartment out of the back of the unit. So I do have a really neat membrane kit that I got for, I think it was $7 or $8 online. I'll make sure to put the info in the description below. But we're gonna see if we can fix this and get this unit working and play some Final Fantasy. There we go. Yeah, that button seems a little funny. Cool, so it definitely works, but yeah, turning it back off. Come on. Yeah, inside something's not making contact. Alright, I hate to do it this way. We're gonna just take the battery out. I'll put that to the side. To open this guy, I'm using a T6 Torx screwdriver. Okay, let's open this guy up. I do want to be a bit careful here. I don't want to accidentally snap or break anything. There we go. And here's the inside of our Wonderswan. So I guess what we're gonna need to do first is disconnect this display cable. Looks like there's two little tabs. Just kind of gently pull. There we go. And let's see. Oof, I wanna be careful with this. There we go. Alright, so we will take a look. First thing we need to do, let's try to clean this. This looks actually really clean inside, but use some isopropyl alcohol. And just give these contacts a good scrubbing. I read online, just doing research before this, that apparently the design of this whole system here was intended to actually be pushed down with kind of rubber contact pads, and I guess something along the lines was changed at the end, and so that is why a lot of the Wonderswans that are still lying around have button problems. So thankfully P1 Repairs, I'll link down below, provides this cool kind of membrane kit that will help us out here. And so we're going to start especially with this power button. Okay, it looks to be evaporated here. I'm going to go ahead and use tweezers just because alright. So we're going to do our best here to center it. Oof, this is... Taking a close look here. Sorry if my head gets in the frame. I believe that is good. We want to be able to see all four of the pads there. I'm going to go ahead and press that down. Worst case, I can open this back up and adjust a little bit. And This one is interesting. This one actually looks like it's already off center a little bit, maybe just a little defect. Certainly don't fault P1 at all. I mean, this is an incredible product to begin with. And see, it covers. It should get the job done. No problem. There we go. And I do want to be careful because the some of the screw holes here need to align properly there. Alright, so that looks pretty good to my eyes. I hope I didn't press too hard down and kind of bridge the pins, but we will find out. So let's go ahead here and get this guy put back together. Just want to be gentle and careful putting this cable back in as well. There we go. Make sure that this switch is also correct there as well. Okay, the moment of truth. Clean that screen real quick. Apologies for all the fingerprints. So still loads. Turns off right away. All right, another successful repair. So thank you all for tuning in. And again, don't forget for next time that obsolete is neat.